Oh, hello. My name's Lily. Welcome back to Lily's Lovely World.
Right, okay, so the kids have decided they want to do an eating challenge today. I am talking quietly because they're in the other room. So what we're going to do is they want to be blindfolded and they need to guess what I've given them. So here we've got some raw stuffy mix, chocolate button, chocolate coin, a baby bell, half a red grape, some leaves off a cauliflower, some raw potato, some mini marshmallows, pickled onions, Marmite and cornflakes. What they'll do is they'll each have a try at everything and see whether they can guess it, and then for the most points then they get a reward or something. We'll think of something, but it's their choice, they want to do it. What else do you do on a Sunday?
Hi guys, welcome back to Lily's Lovely World. And my mum's already explained, and we're doing the blindfolded eating challenge.
These are just blindfolds. Look. There. And they don't. You look weird. What?
I am pointing.
Okay. Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, that means who goes first?
Okay, blindfolds down then please, both of you.
Right. Down, that's it. A little bit lower, Lily, you cheeky little monster. Should we just go out now? Okay, the first thing will be coming in 10 seconds.
I can't see.
No, that's the idea. It's blindfolded, you twonk.
Okay.
I can only see like the right white bottom, so
Yeah.
I'll put that up as well.
First one
Okay.
coming now.
Now, are you holding it or going straight in their mouths?
Straight in their mouths.
Okay, right, open up. Open. Guess what it is.
Cheese.
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 Okay. George, you win a point.
Yeah. I know what it is.
Yeah.
I'm a baby bell.
Correct.
Good boy.
It's disgusting.
Because you didn't know what it was. Your brain. So, do you want your cheese now? Now you know what it is?
Oh, that was nice.
So, George, 1 point to you.
So, next one then. Ready?
Yeah.
Blindfold on properly, Lily.
Oh, wait, I need to time to mine up.
Hey, where is that? There you go.
I never know what I need. It's a bit itchy. I can't see what's going on. Is it on the thing? Is that it?
No, there's nothing there yet, George.
Okay,
You can
ready?
see what's going on.
With your eyes closed. Lily, open.
Open your mouth, Lil.
Bang.
Nothing's going to hurt you.
Except you're eating a spider web.
Cauliflower. No.
Yeah, Lily, you're correct. You're both eating a cauliflower stem.
No wonder I hated it.
You're the cauliflower queen, Mills.
Lily, point to you, darling.
Oh,
You're now
1
equal.
point each. That wasn't actually very nice.
I hated that.
It's not the worst.
Okay, ready?
Dog poo.
Okay, that was disgusting. Ah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Open.
A marshmallow.
Correct. Lily instantly just spits them out. She's like, ah, freak out.
Yeah.
Do you want a marshmallow now?
I don't like marshmallows.
Fair enough. George, you can have it. Been in a gob, but
Spat out.
that's alright.
Smell them. Tasty. Oh, with a free supply of spit. That was disgusting.
Right, are you
Cover
ready
yourselves
for the
back
next
up.
one?
Wait a second, Mum.
2-1. Lily, cover your eyes up, you cheaty little monster. Properly.
I can't see.
Ready? Lily counting.
Ready?
Shut your eyes, Lily.
Open your mouth, Lils.
You gave me an onion.
Pickled onion.
You too. copycat.
Right. So
That-
no points to that one. So you're
If you, oh no, I get
2-1.
Yeah.
Ready?
2 seconds.
Blindfolds on properly.
Because I don't like it.
I can still see, so 2 seconds.
Yeah, hang on. You got it?
Yeah. Please don't be nasty this time.
Lily, shut your eyes, love.
Oh no, it's going to be an oven.
I can't even see your mouths. Right,
Open.
ready, Lils? Open those.
Crisp. A crisp.
No.
Are they crisp?
We haven't said yes yet, have you? Have we?
Can you guess what they are?
Are they crisps?
Crisps. No.
Don't know.
Another one?
Do you want another one, see if you can tell?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
I have no idea what they are.
Do you want another one?
Yes, please.
Do you want one else?
Is it cereal?
Oh, yes.
Oh, cornflakes.
Well done. Joint
Right.
effort.
Yeah, half a point each.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
actually really
Why
good.
don't we just get 1 point each?
Have we got any more pickled onions?
No.
No!
I meant for me. I meant for me, I promise.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Cover your eyes again. Do you want me to help you with the blindfold, Drew?
Yes, please.
I love you.
Do you want me to sort yours out as well, then?
Ow. Got my hair stuck in it.
That's fine, I don't care
Can't
about it.
see. Hey.
Don't
What is
cheat.
going on?
Ready?
Yeah.
This now will have your hand out, please.
Don't eat it until Mummy says.
Okay. Now you know it's in your hand, so you can feel it now with your other hand and pop it in your mouth.
Is it type of crisps?
No.
Oh, I don't know their names. I'm sure I've tried these before.
I
No.
Onions.
Not bacon rashers.
I'll give you a clue.
Oops.
No, I'll give you a clue.
What?
They're not normally in that texture.
So this is
It's not normally in that texture, it's in a raw form.
I have no idea. They just taste like onions.
It's like those hoop things, isn't it? Like.
Do you want to try
No.
again, or?
Yeah.
No, okay.
Okay, can I open?
No, not yet.
Can I eat?
Yeah.
Ow, my elbow. Just clicked.
I don't know.
Neither.
That might have a completely different taste, even though it's the same thing.
They're right up in my gums.
All that. Your guns. The only thing that I know about it is like it's like those hoopy things that it reminds me of, like where you can try and connect your own like crisps and crisps.
Okay, undo your blindfolds then.
What does it look like?
Oh, porridge.
No.
No, it's that like stuff that's like minty thing, sort of. No, not minty. I had it. Do you have it in Christmas dinners?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stuffing.
Stuffing. Is it stuffing?
Yeah, stuffing mix raw.
Ah.
That's why when she was saying onion, there is onion in it, so she may well have had a piece of onion.
Can I have half a point? No.
No.
Okay.
Because that's like saying...
Do I get a point for looking at it?
You get a point for looking at it. No, of course you don't.
Well, me and Lily
And
got.
both of you got eyes.
Next.
Who? Oh, yeah. Okay. Just want to have a drink.
I'm just putting my hand out.
You don't need your hands out.
Well,
You need your mouths open.
No, I want my hand out.
You can't. It's on a spoon.
ready?
Got a syrup. No.
Chocolate spread. No. Marmite.
Yeah!
Well done, both of you. You instantly...
Ew.
It's quite nice, isn't it?
It's spicy at the start. I quite like it though.
That was disgusting.
Well done.
I expected a lot more
I'm
reaction.
never having that ever in my life.
Ready?
Yeah.
Lily Grace, I can see your eyes, love. You're not even cheating well. Hang on. You need me to tighten out. You alright?
Yep, I done it.
Let's do it so that you're not cheating, George.
You're not tight. I would want to.
I don't think you would anyway.
I can't even see it now.
Can you even see my mouth?
I can still
Yeah.
taste it.
Okay.
So we've lost track of the scores, but
Doesn't matter.
Spoony.
Dad, I think I got.
Doesn't matter.
doesn't
and a
matter.
half.
Daddy will sort it out when he goes back. And ready?
Yeah.
Lily, have it.
Onion. Or grape.
Great.
Good boy. Well done.
Woo.
You've got to stop spitting them out immediately, Lil. You've got to go. No, it's not a fish egg. You know, it's just try it.
Yeah.
Hey, why is that still there?
Right, you've got 2 more to go.
Okay, 2 more.
Eyes covered.
Oh, do you want nice or not so nice?
Oh, please.
Do you want to end on a nice one?
Nice. So give us a not nice now.
Cover your eyes then.
Nice.
Cover your eyes
I
then.
don't want that.
Okay, hands out then.
Can I have a nice one?
Hands out.
I'm having the not nice one.
Okay, guess what it is?
An onion.
No, put it in your mouth. See if you can tell.
Potato.
I don't.
Well done, Lily's got it.
No way.
So before she,
That's not nasty.
it will be if you put it in your mouth now.
Is it?
Try it.
Oh, yeah.
Well done.
Good flavours of
Okay,
starch.
that's
Good
one.
one. Good one this time.
Cover your eyes then.
Yeah. Let's end on the good one.
I'll put my hands out.
No, you'll put it in your mouth.
So yeah, we know it's going to be a good one this time. So we don't need to worry.
Okay. Just because I can't see you go.
Well, Mummy, now I can see.
Ready?
Yeah,
Keep your eyes
sure.
closed, George. So you know it's a nice one. Let's pick it up.
And it's
Chocolate corn.
Well done, Lily. You're like a ninja.
and it's white chocolate. What?
No.
Dark chocolate.
Normal chocolate.
Oh
Yeah, well, normal. Yeah.
yeah. It tastes a bit like white chocolate.
Would you like to know the scores?
Yeah.
You are exactly equal. 4.5 each.
Woo!
Shake hands like proper gentlemen.
That's all like slamming down somebody's hand on the table.
I may have broken my hand, but see you next time.